When you want to give back, every tap counts. Using GrabPay makes donating to your favorite causes fast, secure, and part of your everyday life. We're going to walk you through the simple steps to make a charitable donation directly through the Grab app. First, open the Grab app on your phone and look for the main menu or a dedicated section for donations or charity. This is often found under the Payment tab or a special icon on the home screen, depending on your region. Look for More or Relevant Charity Campaign banner. Once you're in the donation section, you'll see a list of accredited charity partners and ongoing campaigns. Take a moment to browse and choose the cause you want to support, whether it's disaster relief, animal welfare, or community development. After selecting your chosen charity, you'll be prompted to enter a donation amount. You can usually choose a preset amount or enter a custom sum. Remember, even a small contribution can make a big difference. Next, you'll confirm your payment method. Select GrabPay from the options. This will ensure the funds are deducted directly from your GrabPay wallet balance. Review the details one last time, the charity name and the donation amount. When you are ready, tap the Confirm or Donate Now button. You might need to enter your Grab PIN or use biometrics for a final security check. And that's it. A confirmation screen will appear, and you will receive a receipt for your donation in your Grab transaction history, and sometimes via email from the charity itself. You've just made a real impact in just a few taps. Giving back should be easy. GrabPay makes it frictionless to support those who need it most. Check the Grab app today to see which causes you can contribute to.